Let's start with the first news. Former President Donald Trump recently took the stage at the 2024 Bitcoin conference in Nashville, expressing strong support for the Bitcoin community and pledging to establish an advisory council. Among his bold promises, Trump declared that he would fire SEC Chair Gary Gensler on his first day in office if re-elected. Trump stated, "I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a new SEC chair on day one. The moment I'm sworn in, the persecution stops and the weaponization ends against your industry. I will appoint a new SEC chair who believes America should build the future, not block it." This statement has generated considerable excitement within the XRP community. While Bitcoin prices surged toward the $70,000 mark, XRP has yet to react significantly to the news. Currently, XRP is down by more than 1% and is trading around the 60 cents level. The SEC has classified Bitcoin and Ethereum as cryptocurrencies, but not XRP. In December 2020, the SEC sued Ripple and its executives for offering unregistered securities worth $1.3 billion. The SEC alleged that Ripple raised capital by exchanging XRP for non-cash considerations without providing the required information to investors. This lawsuit has sparked a heated debate over whether XRP should be regulated as a security. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has argued that XRP is a currency, claiming the lawsuit broadly targets cryptocurrencies. Despite Ripple's defenses, the lawsuit has had a significant impact on XRP and Ripple's operations. Asset managers like Grayscale Digital have liquidated their XRP holdings, and wallets containing over 1 million XRPs have reached their lowest levels since 2019. As a result, XRP's value plummeted by 75%, with some experts predicting it could become worthless. However, despite the ongoing legal challenges, XRP's strong market position and Ripple's global expansion suggest potential for significant appreciation once these legal issues are resolved. The possibility of a new SEC chair under Trump's administration could pave the way for more favorable regulations, potentially revitalizing XRP's path to reaching $1. Moving on to the second news. With the success of spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, there has been speculation about whether fund issuers will venture into other crypto ETFs. Specifically, market experts are questioning if the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, will consider filing for spot ETFs for altcoins like Solana and XRP. BlackRock is unlikely to file for spot ETFs for Solana and XRP in the near future. This sentiment comes from BlackRock's head of digital assets, Robert Mitchnick, who mentioned that the asset manager sees very little interest in cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. This suggests that BlackRock will continue to focus on its spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs rather than expanding to other cryptocurrencies. Charles Gasparino, an American journalist and senior correspondent at Fox Business, also dismissed the likelihood of BlackRock filing for a spot XRP ETF. After interviewing BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, Gasparino noted that Fink evaded questions about launching a spot XRP ETF. This elusive response led some in the XRP community to speculate that BlackRock might be considering such a move. However, Gasparino clarified that Fink lacked detailed knowledge about XRP, which explained his vague response. While BlackRock might not be pursuing altcoin ETFs, other fund issuers like VanEck and 21 Shares see potential in altcoins such as Solana. These companies have already applied to offer the first-ever spot Solana ETFs in the U.S. Additionally, asset manager Franklin Templeton has shown interest in Solana, once predicting it could become the third-largest cryptocurrency by market cap. However, it remains uncertain if Franklin Templeton will eventually file for a spot Solana ETF. Other fund issuers are expected to take notice of Solana's growth, given its impressive performance in the current bull market. Brian Kelly, founder of digital assets investment firm BKCM, mentioned that Solana is likely to get its own ETF next, considering it is part of the big three for this cycle alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum. While no asset manager has yet filed for a spot XRP ETF in the U.S., expectations remain high that it will eventually happen. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse expressed at the Consensus 2024 conference that it is only a matter of time before the market sees a spot XRP ETF, calling such a fund inevitable. However, firms like VanEck might not be looking to file for a spot XRP ETF soon. VanEck's head of digital assets research, Matthew Siegel, explained that they chose to file for a spot Solana ETF instead of a spot XRP ETF. Siegel noted that Solana is as decentralized as Ethereum, with no single entity controlling more than 20% of the token's circulating supply or having the ability to unilaterally halt the chain. The same decentralization claim cannot be made for XRP, considering the significant portion of the token's supply held by Ripple. This centralization could raise concerns about XRP's decentralized nature. Additionally, the ongoing legal case between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple could pose another hurdle to any potential application for a spot XRP ETF. Now, onto the third news. Ripple, a prominent blockchain payments company, has recently announced that its payment services now extend to over 80 countries. This milestone was highlighted in a recent company release titled, "Why Crypto Liquidity Matters in the Modern Financial Landscape." This expansion demonstrates Ripple's ongoing commitment to enhancing the efficiency and reach of its cross-border payment systems. First introduced in the fourth quarter of 2023 as Ripple Payments, this service is an extension of Ripple's previous XRP-based on-demand liquidity, ODL, platform. Initially, the service catered to over 70 markets, and the latest expansion allows Ripple to address the increasing demand for fast and affordable cross-border payments. In its report, Ripple envisions a future where cross-border transactions are as seamless as email transfers. The company emphasizes that blockchain technology, underpinned by liquidity, is key to this vision. Crypto liquidity is essential for trading cryptocurrencies efficiently without impacting market prices. Ripple points out that despite advancements in speeding up cross-border payments, traditional financial systems still lack transparency. Users often remain uncertain about the status of their funds, especially during off-peak hours and holidays. Additionally, Ripple highlights the disparity between the growth of the crypto market and the much larger global foreign exchange, FX, market. This gap underscores the sector's challenges and the necessity for innovative solutions. To address these challenges, Ripple focuses on improving its liquidity management. The company leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to optimize transaction processes. This ensures sufficient liquidity to meet client needs at all times, including after business hours. Ripple's liquidity management system boasts nearly 100% success rates in transactions, significantly reducing the cost of cross-border payments. The ongoing lawsuit between Ripple Labs and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, remains a focal point as it nears its conclusion. The case, which centers on the status of XRP, is still awaiting a ruling from Judge Annalisa Torres. Recently, speculation about a potential settlement has circulated on social media and within the legal community. Attorney Bill Morgan recently tweeted that any settlement would require concessions from both Ripple and the SEC. He emphasized that compromise is common in legal disputes. Mark Fagel, a former SEC officer, also commented on the issue, noting that such discussions are rarely conducted behind closed doors. These meetings typically address procedural or case management matters. The Ripple versus SEC lawsuit is critical for the crypto market, particularly for XRP's global expansion. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for other cryptocurrencies and their regulatory relationships in the United States. Next is the fourth news. On July 27, 2024, the well-known pseudonymous crypto analyst, Crypto Michael, shared his optimistic outlook on XRP via social media platform X. Crypto Michael highlighted a previous successful trade where he converted $250,000 worth of Bitcoin into XRP when Bitcoin was trading above $60,000. Within a month, this investment soared to $1 million. He attributed this success to his technical analysis skills and expressed confidence in forecasting a similar significant rise for XRP. Michael suggested that XRP could soon see a substantial price increase, drawing parallels to his past successful trade. He mentioned a conservative target of $2 for XRP, but hinted that the price could go much higher, especially due to a technical pattern known as a pennant that has been forming over 7 years. A pennant is a continuation pattern in technical analysis that typically forms after a strong price movement, followed by a period of consolidation with converging trend lines. Once this pattern breaks, it often leads to another significant price movement in the same direction as the initial trend. Michael emphasized the potential profitability of his prediction, highlighting the gains investors could achieve if XRP were to quadruple in value within a few weeks. His posts aimed to attract attention from those seeking substantial short-term gains. This upward trend aligns with Crypto Michael's bullish outlook, indicating growing interest and positive sentiment in the market. Looking at the one-month XRP-USD price chart, several key observations can be made. 1. Upward momentum. There has been a strong upward trajectory from early July, particularly noticeable from July 8th onwards, aligning with bullish market sentiment. 2. Support and resistance levels. The chart shows a strong support level around 41 cents and resistance near 60 cents to 63 cents. Breaking through the resistance could lead to further gains. 3. Trend patterns. The price movements suggest a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs, indicating positive momentum. And here is the final news for today. James Seyffart, a senior crypto analyst at Bloomberg, faced significant backlash from the XRP army on social media platform X after making a joke about XRP during an interview. Seyffart acknowledged the backlash, issued an apology, and expressed his support for Ripple. During the 2024 Bitcoin conference, Seyffart asked BlackRock's head of digital assets, Robert Mitchnick, why he didn't mention his past work at Ripple. This comment sparked a swift reaction from the crypto community, with the Twitter user's subjective views accusing Seyffart of attacking XRP. Seyffart later apologized for his joke, suggesting that the XRP army misunderstood his intentions and were trying to cancel him. He clarified that the joke was well received by the intended audience. Despite the negative response, Seyffart emphasized that he supports Ripple in its ongoing legal battle with the US SEC. XRP enthusiast LabRat criticized Seyffart for being unprofessional, while another fan, Dravelo, reminded Seyffart that Mitchnick had previously worked at Ripple before joining BlackRock. Dravelo predicted that Seyffart would regret his words when XRP outperformed Bitcoin. Another Twitter user, Michael Jordan, pointed out that XRP seemed to be a frequent target of criticism compared to other cryptocurrencies. XRP holder Samuel Hines defended the token, highlighting its partnerships with over 100 financial institutions and its involvement with the Banks for International Settlement, BAS, task group dedicated to cross-border payments. Seyffart reiterated that he harbors no ill will towards Ripple's XRP and that his joke was well received by the conference audience. He also stated his belief that the US SEC has overreached in its case against Ripple and in other similar cases. In support of Seyffart, LambdaX suggested that the XRP community needed a reality check, while another supporter, Say What, claimed that the XRP army was the weakest group he had encountered in his investment career. Data from CoinGecko indicated that XRP's price increased by 1.5% to $0.6071 within 24 hours and by 2.3% over the past 7 days. However, market activity for XRP showed a decline, with a trading volume of $1.08 billion, a 43.1% drop in the last 24 hours. As of the time of writing, XRP's market cap stood at $34 billion. According to CoinMarketCap, Ripple's XRP saw a 16.11% increase from 54 cents to 63 cents within 5 days. Despite a subsequent 4.62% price decline, XRP is currently struggling to regain its bullish momentum. Notably, crypto analyst Whale Alert reported 2 significant XRP withdrawals, totaling 45.6 million XRP, worth $27.1 million, from Binance to an unknown wallet on July 26. So, that's the update for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.